In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any YouTube video to text. All you need to do is go onto the YouTube site and select the video that you want to transcribe. So in this example, I'm going to jump over to my own YouTube channel and then click on the video. And if we scroll down to the description and click more, here you can see the transcription feature. So let's hit show transcription. And here you can see the timestamp and the transcription. So if we click on the ellipsis button here, or the three dots, you can see now that the timestamp has been removed, and then you can copy the text from here. And now paste it into a Word document. And here you can use the Copilot feature by clicking on the Copilot icon and ask Copilot any questions relating to the video. So here I'm going to ask Copilot to summarize the video. And here Copilot has given me a quick summary. Next, I'm going to ask Copilot to write step-by-step instructions. And based on the transcript of the video, Copilot has come back with step-by-step instructions on how to build the AI agent. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.